today I'm gonna be the first one to voice over. It's already night, cause I just got here when it was afternoon, cause we're having a sleepover. So say hi. Hello. She hasn't joined yet, so this is my gym. Guys, it's a little laggy, but I have a whole list of what I'm gonna do in Minecraft, but it's in my house. So I'm just gonna try to do what I was gonna remember. Yeah. So I'm just gonna get a grass block, cause I'm gonna make this a perfect city, you know, that kind of stuff. So my cousin's world is raining and snowing. Yeah. Like it's foggy. Yeah. But guys, if you support us, please comment. You know, I need to flip on the game. The bed doesn't work for mine anymore. Okay, so this is the ice cream shop. It looks girly. And then here's Gcash. And then here's the gym. I'm just building it, so it's not really done yet. Here's the stuff I used. Let me just put it down. I'm just gonna change it with a few. Cause all I have to do is the roof and bro. Okay, anyways, guys, if you already met us, like you're our classmates in school, hi. You can join our YouTube channel if we are teenagers. We can bring our phone into school, because my brother does. I don't know why. But I found out that it was allowed to and not the elementary. So it's too bad for the elementary. Wait lang. Wait. Because we're drinking milk. The gatas is milk. I just see it in front of the camera. Hindi pa. May onti pa. Boss na. Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Saking.
Parang siyang utot.
Lang may titig niya.
Oh, hala. Ay, mabasa dyan. Oh, may umutot. May umutot. Oh.
Sorry na. Hindi naman illegal magtae. Oy, yun. Hindi naman illegal magtae. Kaba? Hindi pa daw. Mamaya ako mag-reverse. Baka kumain ka.
Go!
Baka midnight snack.
I-decipher ko dito.
Di ko alam.
Ayan.
Ano yan?
Basta, di ko alam kung ano i-decipher ko. Ito pa, ano i-decipher ko?
Babe, ba't wala kang kumot na bilang?
Kasi
Wait lang. Nagkukumot pa ako.
Mamaya, baka gusto mo kumain.
Opo. Wait lang, wala ako hangin.
Ano ba yan?
Paano to iusog? Bigat. Bigatter.
Okay na?
Mm-mm.
Okay na, sure?
Mm-mm.
Sure na, ha?
Oo.
Okay na siya.
Meron ako, gitna ako.
Ikaw, bebe.
Until.
Sure ka?
Mm-mm.
Ayan.
Meron na.
Meron?
Mm-mm.
Sure?
Mm-mm.
Sure na, sure?
Mm-mm. Ba't naglalag ako? Sorry. Maybe. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. I've been AFK from the game. Guys, they have a bee. Oh my gosh. Guys, it doesn't really hurt in creative, so don't worry. Oh my God, you fly. Guys. You just beat my feet. Bro. Guys, ignore her, guys. She is having a mental breakdown. Guys, turn down your volume. Turn down your volume, guys. Save yourself.
Alam tumatay.
Alam tumatay.
Ay, kumakain pa na.
Kumakain. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Even my voice is recorded. Guys, help me. I got a little letter here. What the hell? How can I
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Dear. Let's go.
Dear Eliza, I am new citizen in town. Please show me the roof, building, and other slab. New citizen.
Gagawa pa ako eh.
Mag-vlog ka na dyan.
Anyways, guys, it's been 7 minutes in the record. And I haven't even finished.
Pangit.
Nino!
Ang pangit ng pinag-spon.
Babe, New World ba yun?
Oo.
Sa akin, kahapon pa to.
Ba't kasi wala akong niya?
Di ko alam.
Bulok.
Putik to. Pukik. Guys, I'm calling this New World Pukik. Guys.
Ere, cookie.